Wendigo.
So, you guys, something happened. We were filming a tournament. For some reason, it didn't record. But, no, I did hit record. What the frick? It didn't, so, for some reason, do not fight me. So, it didn't hit record, and I don't know why, but, I mean, no, I did hit record, but, like, it just got deleted. So, hopefully, well, we're gonna be, The Rock That Talks was one of our winners, and another one was, yeah, he won, and another one, we're going to go fight Wendigo, and then, yeah, let's go do it.
Wait, don't fight him yet!
No! Yo, I swear. Okay. Depends.
Oh, I just
Okay,
died.
let's and we're gonna kill Wendigo in honor of anime. And then I'm gonna show you our other winner after we kill Wendigo.